Hey everyone, welcome back. Grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and spend some relaxing time with us. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. We're so happy you're here. Today's topic is something many people struggle with, but almost everyone wants to improve.
That's right. Today, we're talking about how to talk to anyone with confidence.
Confidence in conversations.
Honestly, it sounds easy, but for many people, it's not.
I totally agree. So, Mia, have you always been confident when talking to new people?
Oh, not at all. I was very shy.
I don't believe that.
It's true. When I met someone new, I would overthink everything.
Like what?
What should I say? What if they don't like me? Or what if I say something embarrassing?
Okay, that's a common thought. I've felt that too.
Really? That's interesting.
I used to think confident people were never nervous. But then I realized something.
What?
Everyone gets nervous. But the difference is that confident people don't let fear stop them.
Beautifully said. So what's the first step to talking confidently?
Smile. A simple smile makes conversations easier.
I totally agree.
It makes you look friendly. And it helps you relax, too.
Have you ever started a conversation with a stranger? Were you nervous?
Very.
What happened?
I was standing in line at a coffee shop. So I simply asked, "Is it good?" And then we talked for almost 10 minutes. About coffee, then books and travel.
Wow, that's wonderful.
It taught me something.
What's that?
Most conversations start with simple questions.
Exactly. I love that.
We don't need perfect words. What about you?
I met one of my closest friends at the gym. She was using the machine I needed. I smiled and asked, "Are you almost finished?"
Very simple. And then?
We started talking. We discovered we both loved reading. Then we had coffee after our workout.
That's interesting. And now you're friends?
Yes. Sometimes one small conversation changes everything.
I totally agree. You know what's funny?
What?
Before talking to someone, we imagine 100 problems.
What if they ignore me? What if they think I'm strange?
Exactly.
But most people are friendly. And many people are just as nervous as we are.
I've realized that too.
Yeah, it makes conversations feel easier.
Here's a question for everyone listening.
I love these.
When was the last time you started a conversation with someone new? Think about it. Maybe it was at work, or at school, or in a cafe.
You never know where a simple hello can lead. Leo, do you think eye contact is important?
Very important.
Why?
Because it shows you're listening. But you don't have to stare.
Please don't. That would be awkward.
Very awkward. Just natural eye contact and a relaxed smile.
Have you ever forgotten someone's name?
Oh, yes.
Really?
More times than I want to admit. It's embarrassing.
What do you do?
I politely ask again.
That's smart. By the way, you know something interesting? People enjoy talking about themselves.
That's true.
If you ask good questions, like, what do you enjoy doing? Or, how was your weekend? Or, have you watched any good movies lately? Those questions keep conversations going.
Exactly. You know what's funny?
Well,
We replay conversations in our heads. Why did I say that? Why didn't I say something smarter?
meanwhile, the other person probably forgot about it already.
We really do.
Here's another question for everyone listening.
Interesting.
If you could have coffee with anyone, who would it be? A famous person? An old friend? A family member?
Great conversations often begin with curiosity.
That's beautifully said.
What advice would you give someone who's very shy?
Start small. Smile at people. Say hello. Ask one simple question. Small steps build confidence.
Exactly. Yeah, I also think listening is important.
You know, sometimes people think they have to talk all the time, but good listeners are great conversationalists.
I totally agree.
You know what I've learned?
Tell me.
Confidence isn't about saying the perfect thing.
It's about being genuine, being kind, being curious, and being yourself.
Before we finish, let's remind everyone listening of something.
Okay,
Don't be afraid to say hello. Smile more. Ask simple questions. Listen carefully. Don't worry about being perfect. And every conversation is a chance to learn. One smile at a time, one small step at a time.
that's beautiful.
Thanks for spending this cozy time with us. We hope this conversation gave you the confidence to talk to someone new today.
Maybe reminded you that most people are kinder than you think. Take care of yourself. And remember, confidence doesn't mean never feeling nervous.
It means speaking anyway, smiling anyway, and believing that every conversation is a new opportunity. See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye.